Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. Happy Friday, and let's begin our discussion with some key and interesting insights on Bitcoin. First of all, in this article, the analyst is discussing that Bitcoin is likely to benefit over the long term, and then proceeds to discuss how the reserves of main central banks holding dollars are declining, and typically there is an inverse relationship between the dollar index and Bitcoin. And basically the overall narrative here is that as central banks seek to diversify and they dump some of the dollars that they have, it's likely that this is going to support Bitcoin prices. In addition to that, one of the key news from today is that Meitu, which is a Chinese tech company, has purchased even more Bitcoin, and now it holds a total of 100 million worth of Bitcoin and Ether together. And of course, as an innovative company, it's likely that they're going to pave the way and inspire other companies to do the same, purchasing Bitcoin and Ethereum and driving their prices higher. In addition to that, technical analysis from Being Crypto indicates that Bitcoin painted a bullish engulfing candlestick, which, as the name suggests, is considered very bullish and likely to result in more price increases in the near term. Finally, in terms of the development of the ZEC case with Ripple, there is a new petition which has been signed by a lot of people, suggesting that many of the investors in the community is gathering support around Ripple, with increased likelihood of a successful resolution of that case. So let's move to the chart and see how you can trade that. Beginning with Bitcoin versus Tether, we can see a fairly neutral setup in terms of the MACD and the relative strength index, but in terms of horizontal support and resistance lines, to me 57,800 is a good pivotal point with an opportunity to initiate long positions. We targeted 58,350 and 58,900. Conversely, below the level of 57,800, we could be looking for selling Bitcoin with targets at 57,250 and 56,800. Next, we're moving to Ethereum. The critical pivotal point for Ethereum is 2070. Over that level, as you can see from my indicators on the chart, initiating long positions, buying Ethereum over 2070, with the first main resistance level coming at 2095, and then if we clear that level, we could target 2115 once again. Conversely, below 2070, we can see that the nearest support on the short side is around 250, and then we could see further declines taking us all the way down to 2010. Before that, we could stop at 230 as well. Next, we're moving to Ripple. After demonstrating a lot of volatility in the last couple of days, Ripple has now stabilized a little bit, and the level 1 is the critical pivot point. Over that level, buying Ripple, we targeted 1.05 and 1.1. Conversely, below 1, to me, the bearish sentiments prevail, with targets on the short side 0.94 and 0.91. Next, we're moving to Zcash. Looking at the 4-hour chart of Zcash versus Tether, we can see that we had a bullish crossover with the blue MACD line crossing over the red signaling line. In addition to that, the relative strength index is climbing up nicely. There was a very strong resistance around 191. That level was broken. To me, this is a signal to buy Zcash with target at 200 and fairly conservative stop loss on 184, giving us this time fairly neutral, around 1-to-1, just over 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And the final idea comes from Tezos. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we have a bullish crossover of the blue MACD line above the red signaling line, relative strength index above 50 once again, breaking above a critical resistance level at 6.25, giving us a buy signal with the target near the high from a few days ago, which was around 6.8, and the stop loss to me will be reasonably placed around 6, which is the nearest swing low for fairly classic trade idea. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection, and remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Have a good weekend and stay safe. Bye bye.